everyone, welcome back to my channel. PlannergirlMek here, Mek's Journey, and PlannergirlMek planner and Bible stickers on Etsy. I am showing you my brand new planner template in silhouette. I wanted to revamp the one that I was using before, just made the boxes a little lighter, and I went with a not a solid like that first little column on the side. I just want to switch things up a bit, but I am working with the Daydreamer kit from the PlannerShack, and oh my goodness, these colors, the pinks, the purples, the blues, the artistry of it. There's a lot of art, paint, and painter sticks, and I mean just all of the stuff that I love. I didn't really give this kit a really good look, but I knew once I saw it, I was like, ooh, yes, I love that kit. I love it. I love it. And along with the shop owner and the PR girls, we all chose this one to be the same but different, and I have loved seeing everyone's stuff. Here you see I have already put together my digital washi banner. And I have also started my sidebar, that's what it's called, it's a sidebar. I did revamp that a little bit, adjust my sizes so I don't have to do that much editing to the boxes now, which is amazing. So like I said in the beginning, if you guys want to see this template come to life, I don't know if I'm gonna put it in my shop or if I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Let's just see what the buzz is for it. But I do love this template. Right now, I am putting together the date covers. And this week was the 19th through the 25th. And let me apologize to you right away. I just got my second COVID shot. And listen, this is day 3. I got it on the 29th. It's the 1st of May. And y'all, she took me out. I wasn't expecting that. So I'm still trying to recover. Today, what I'm experiencing, which not a lot of people have experienced it, it's loss of taste. And yeah, I've not really been able to taste that much. And it's just been weird. Like I tried to eat some cereal and all I could taste, because I drink almond milk with my cereal, all I could taste was the almond. That's all I had, and it was crazy. So I was like, no. Hopefully everything gets back to normal tomorrow. But other than that, I'm doing great. But I just wanted to give you guys that little disclaimer. If I'm like dragging things along, I am not 100% Meks right now, but we're gonna get it better. I'm actually doing my voiceover in the bed. But anywho, I just put down that bottom washi, and I'm getting ready to put down the longer bottom washi. Yeah, to make that work. And I actually could use both of the long ones on both sides the way I have it set up, but the way I do my sidebar, I didn't do it that way. So I'm just adjusting things, and yeah, I really, really love this because I really don't have to do that much. And as you can see, I'm using some more tools. Like I went on a silhouette training dive in YouTube and tried to watch every training tutorial on silhouette, just trying to learn some things that I didn't know. And upon doing my research, I learned some stuff that I was like, oh, okay, I like that. But here I am adjusting that full-size box into that, I want to say half a box, not even. Y'all know I ain't good with sizes. But yeah, I adjusted that to fit the sidebar. And now I am just laying out my full boxes to try to see where I want them to go. You all know that I love doing this because I can have it laid out. And if I'm like, ooh, I want to switch it up, which I believe I do, I can always do that. See, there you go. Now, if I was in my regular planner, Lord, I'd have to get some undo, some whiteout. I mean, you name it. But here you can see I am not having to make too many adjustments because I sized my boxes to fit the PlannerShack stickers perfectly, and it's amazing. I love it, and it fits in my planner perfectly. I love it, love it, love it. So it does give me a little room, so all I have to do is right click and send to back, and it's all in there. So yeah, I will link my very first silhouette plan with me video to give you guys more details on how I do what I do in my silhouette plan with me if this is your first time watching. And also I will link my video on how to break apart the kit so you're able to maneuver the boxes this way. I wish I knew how to do this for my kits, but I do not know how to do that. I am still learning. So yeah, bear with me as I learn, but like I always say, I can never go wrong with a PlannerShack kit. Right now, I am laying down my half scallop boxes. Thanks to my PR girls, I now know what those are called. I feel like I've graduated. Like I've learned so much. I did try to use this flower pot for the top of my sidebar to go with the April, but it didn't work. You will see that I change it and I end up using some of the colorful daisies. But I am using the April, and that is the Hello font from defont.com. And I just put the little April. See, I didn't like it. I don't think there was enough pixels in that for me to do it that way. And it didn't look clear to me and my weirdness. I didn't like it. So I changed that. I took that out and then I added some of the smaller ones. You'll see that in a second. But yeah, I did that. So let me ask y'all a question. How has April been for y'all? April has been, oh my God. It's been a crazy month. My mom had to go to the hospital. She's fine now, thank God. But we had that, and then we had some other family issues going on. I think the one great thing, well, there's two great things that came out of April. My mom is good. She's healthy. She's out of the hospital. And the other one was we went on vacation this in April. And oh my God, I'm saying in April because it's no longer April. It's May 1st now. We went on vacation and we went to the beach, and it was just me, my husband, and the kids, and it was so much fun. Oh my goodness, we absolutely enjoyed our time. So that was the two great things that happened. But April has been crazy. I got my first COVID shot. And I think with the first one, all I really experienced was swelling. My arms swelled up a little bit. But really quick, these half rectangles with the scallops on top, it's just some little layering I did. I try to incorporate some of the stuff that I learned from Shantae's class digitally. I really, really love those, and I try to incorporate those in because it kind of flow with the scallops. In my last plan with me, I think I doubled up the scallop boxes and did it that way, but I think I really like this. It's not too much layering, but it's enough to where it's like, ooh, that's nice. Where'd you get that box from? Enough to make it a little different. But yes. But back to my COVID vaccine. Yeah, the first one wasn't as bad. I had some swelling for the first 2 days, and then I was good. My husband did go through the motions of symptoms on his first vaccine, but with the second one, he didn't experience anything. And so I think I'm getting the opposite. The first one, I didn't experience anything, and now the second one, whoo child, I am experiencing some stuff. You hear me? I went through the night sweats, I lost my taste, what else happened? I was dizzy, headache, nausea. I had all of the symptoms of the side effects of the vaccine. So I'm nearing the end of it. Thankfully, going through that, I didn't feel any sneezing or runny nose or stuff like that, but I'm getting there. But I just laid down that we watched the Mortal Kombat movie on our date night that Friday, and that Sunday, which was last week, I want to say, I did this silhouette plan with me. And today I am just now doing the voiceover. So I am just laying down some of these stickers. Here I am layering the hand with the nails with some nail polish. And I'm going to label that I did my dip nails on Tuesday. And I'm going to put that little flower pot there. I think I'm going to move it to the right or the left. Oh, there we go. Look how pretty that nail. I think we should make that like a permanent a permanent thing for to do the dip nails. We need to make a dip nail icon. I gotta put that on my list. We need dip nails icons. That's just something that has to happen. Right now I am laying down a Falcon and a Winter Soldier script. I watched the season finale of Falcon and the Winter Soldier. If you don't know, now you know. Your girl is a huge Marvel fan. Huge. I am a Marvel fanatic. I have seen all the movies at least 10 times. At least. I'm just keeping it 100. I love Marvel. My favorite Marvel character is a toss-up between Captain America, Black Panther, and Captain Marvel. Is that what they call her? Lord. The girl. I can't remember right now. That's terrible. She's like my favorite. But anywho, I'm a huge Marvel fan. So right now, I think I'm pretty much done. I am just laying down some of the deco, just beautifying her a little bit. And yeah, so I think I'm done. I still need to put in the dip nails. I think that's what I'm doing now. Yep. Dip nail script to let you know that I did my dip nails. And that is about it. What am I writing here? Oh, I'm writing down that my mom came home from the hospital on Monday, which I think she actually came home on Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday was when she came home. And then that Wednesday, I ordered Grubhub for my mom because I'm not there with her physically. So I was trying to do everything possible I could to make her comfortable, and she couldn't really drive the first 2 or 3 days. So I ordered Grubhub for her from my state to her state, and she was like, that is so cool. But anywho's, we're coming to an end, and yeah, you will see how I do like a final look. I think I do a file, print, open and preview. I do have a Mac, and I look at it to see how it is, and I also save it. I don't show that part. I save it as a PDF. No, I save it as a JPEG, and I load it into my digital planner, Goodnotes. There you go. I load into my Goodnotes digital planner, and that is how I'm able to use it as a digital, and also I print it out from Silhouette as is, and that is how I'm able to lay it down in my planner, and I will show you pictures of all of that at the end. But yeah, what do you guys think? This is the Daydreamer kit. Use PlannerGirlMek 35 to save on this kit. Mention PlannerGirlMek and the notes section for my freebie. And yeah, that is about it. Oh my goodness, y'all. I really, really love this kit. It is amazing. I'm seeing some deco in here that I'm like, I might have to make note of and see if I can like maybe possibly get my freebie page revamped. Little hint hint. But yes, I really, really love this. And there it is. That's how it will look printed. Very beautiful. Oh, PlannerShack, what? She be doing it. Oh my God. Okay. Like I said before, PlannerGirlMek 35 to save 35%, and mention PlannerGirlMek in the notes section to get my freebie. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe like it says right here. It truly helps out my channel, and I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you. And I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye, guys.